It's a beautiful morning. Let me show you. Look at that. And full disclosure, because I live in a Greek village and it doesn't really matter, I'm in my pajamas. I'm going over to my friend's house in my pajamas to have a shower, do my hair, and get dressed and get on with my day. Oh my God, I can't believe this situation. Hopefully it's not gonna last too long. It's bearable, but it's tough. It's not easy. It's not easy. There's no running water in the house. Yeah, that's the look. Sunglasses and pajamas. I just realized it's not realistic for me to try to paint this now with all of this underneath it. I can't really reach it. Plus, I think I need to get a different paint, a different varnish, a much harder wearing varnish. The ones they use for marine applications. Okay, this is very cool. This is a tree that is, I don't know what was first, but it has both bitter oranges on it. I think they're bitter. I'll find out soon enough. And on the same tree, there are also lemons. So cool. Somebody grafted one tree onto the other. So it's 2 in 1. That is so cool. I did not know that. Just found that out now. It's funny because I had an argument with somebody about what kind of tree this was. We were both right in the end. Greek villages have dogs. It's a thing. They're barking all the time, everywhere. Doesn't seem to bother anybody, so. Anyway, I came to the very top of the village, and I want to show you what you can see from here. You can see my roof. I've never actually been on this street. We're right at the top. I'm headed up that hill. I want to see some trails, see what kind of hiking there is around here. So yeah, this seems to be the topmost street. And what I see at the bottom here, Kalispera σας. Είναι πάρα πολύ ωραίο. Δεν έχω ξαναέρθει τόσο ψηλά. Δεν έχω ξαναέρθει τόσο ψηλά. Μένω λίγο κάτω.
Είναι πολύ ωραία. Πολύ ωραία.
Όντως.
Αυτό μας έκανε και εμένα και εμείς εδώ.
Καλό απόγευμα. So now that I'm closer, I can see that there really are not any trails up there. I'll have to ask some of my local friends where they hike. My house renovation here still has a long ways to go. But I have a dream about the next project, and that would involve an underground house with southern exposure on a hill much like this one, facing the sea. There's another caravan tucked up there. So these are all squats. They don't have electricity, they don't have water. But they sure have a beautiful view. Frickin' dogs. I forgot my glasses at the top. It's 7 a.m., but it's still dark outside because it's late November. So I've said it before, but hopefully I won't say it again. Today is the day we're gonna finally put the skylight in the small bathroom. It's been a really problematic thing. It took a lot of prep on the actual terrace of the bathroom. Let's see what happens. I'm a little bit nervous about how we're gonna get it up there because it's quite big and heavy. And yeah, let's see. So I've just let Marcos get on with it up there on the roof because he seems to know what he's doing, and I'm stressing him out and he's stressing me out. So I'll go up there in a bit and see what's happening. I'm getting ready to do the grout, and I see that 2 of the tiles are damaged that have been put up here. So I'm going to replace those. Not very happy. Why you wouldn't want to do this job in the wind. Still have this pile on the roof here that needs to be gotten rid of. We do not want rain while we're doing this job, so hopefully that will pass. I'm gonna be so happy to get this thing out of the center of the room. It's been in here for years. I can't remember how many years, at least 3. So I'm really looking forward to having that out. Wow. Dun dun dun! Αυτό ήταν το πιο δύσκολο κομμάτι, να ανέβει απάνω. Dun dun dun! Λοιπόν, τώρα καφέ και βιδώνομαι.
Καφέ τώρα.
Καφέ, γιατί έχετε κάνει τρομερή δουλειά.
Ανοίξατε τρύπα.
Μπράβο,
Αλλά
παιδιά.
εδώ όμως θα βάλεις λίγο σιλικόνι με κάτω.
Βέβαια.
Και μετά θα το...
Γιατί στο πλαστικό δεν κολλάει.
Okay.
Το σηκώνεις
Έχουμε σιλικόνι.
Αν είναι φέρτε μου να...
Ωραία, μετά πάμε να πιούμε καφέ.
Πώς το βλέπεις, είναι ωραίο.
Τέλεια, πάμε μέσα να δούμε. Okay, I'm super relieved and excited. We got it up there. It's so heavy and so breakable. So now we're gonna have a coffee break and then finish it up. Έχει τόσο μικρό από εδώ. The water heater isn't looming over my head quite as much with the window in. There's even gravel in the screws. I'm not exaggerating when I say there's still gravel everywhere. I'm really over it. Let me know in the comments if you're also a screw geek. I don't know why, but I've always loved them, and I love having them organized. Τέλεια.
Καλό ρύζικο.
Μπράβο ρε Μάρκο, πολύ καλή δουλειά. I'm gonna be honest. The last few days, I just haven't been feeling it. There's so much to do, and I'm overwhelmed, and I'm not discouraged. I'm just really overwhelmed. I look around at all the different things that need to be done, and it's like, who's gonna do these things? Oh yeah, you are. So today, I've set myself up with a job that I know I can do in one day, and I know it's going to be satisfying because it never has to be done again. And that is give the last coat of paint to the back beams. I did the first coat a couple months ago, and I haven't had a chance to do a second coat. What's up? How's the diet going? Not great, huh? Turned out nicely. Pretty simple, but my first meal made in this oven, and it's worked beautifully. Just really impressed with the way it cooked. I've never had a wood burning stove before, so I'm not quite sure exactly what the optimum way to use it is. So far, when I light it, I have it open so it gets oxygen. And then as it starts burning, I close it off so that it generates heat and starts radiating. It seems to be working. Well, that should keep me going for about 4 or 5 weeks, I think. I'd be curious to see how long it lasts. Depends how cold it's going to be. Got this first little piles to start on, and then that. I've never tried to live on wood stove heating alone without central heating, so I have no idea how much wood it's going to take.